Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Madden 27 EA Play 10 hours trial on Xbox Series X or S. So if you have active Game Pass subscription and you want to play the EA Play trial of Madden 27, then playing it is actually very easy. From the home screen, open Microsoft Store. After that, select the search bar, and in the search bar we need to type Madden 27. Once the search results appear, we need to select the edition which doesn't have any of the price tag. So as you can see, this edition does not have any of the price tag, so select this edition. After that, select choose edition. Now we'll be given 3 editions. We have to select this edition because it doesn't have any of the price tag. After that, select the cover art of Madden 27. Now it will take you to the Microsoft Store page. Now we need to select the edition which cannot be sold separately, which is the first edition which cannot be sold separately. So I need to select this edition. After that, on the Madden 27 store page, we can see the EA Play free trial option available. So if you have active EA Play subscription or Game Pass subscription, then you will be able to play this game for 10 hours. Just select the EA Play option. After that, it will start downloading the full game and you can enjoy the game for 10 hours. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.